Want to know how to automate lead generation in Vendasta? Well, you're in the right place. This powerful platform can help you automate many of your business processes, and lead generation is no exception. Stick around to the end, because I'll share how to get started with a free trial that includes some exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that Vendasta is a robust software platform designed for businesses looking to streamline their operations, especially in sales and marketing. It allows you to automate several critical business functions, including lead generation. That's right, you can get more leads with less effort. Next thing to consider is the CRM system within Vendasta. This system allows you to store and manage your leads in one central location, making it easier to track and nurture potential clients. It automatically updates your leads' information based on their interactions with your business. This means you don't have to manually enter or update details. Vendasta does it for you. Automating lead management is a game changer. Now, let's talk about Vendasta's marketplace. This is where you'll find a variety of marketing tools, many of which can be used to automatically attract and capture leads. From SEO tools to social media management, the marketplace offers products that integrate seamlessly into your lead gen process. It helps create a streamlined funnel for your leads, from awareness all the way to conversion. The fourth thing you can use is Vendasta's automated email campaigns. These campaigns let you engage leads without lifting a finger. You can set up drip campaigns to send automated emails based on specific triggers, like when a lead interacts with a piece of content or fills out a form. This kind of automation allows you to stay connected with potential clients without constantly being in your inbox. Next, let's talk about lead scoring. Vendasta allows you to automatically score leads based on their behavior and interaction with your business. This means you can prioritize high-value leads that are more likely to convert, allowing you to focus your energy on the leads that matter most. Another feature you'll want to use is the reporting and analytics. With Vendasta, you get detailed insights into your lead generation efforts. It automatically tracks your campaigns, so you can see what's working and what's not. These insights help you tweak your strategy for better results, all while saving time and effort. Finally, if you're wondering how to get started, I've got great news. You can try Vendasta for free using the link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get extra perks that will help you jumpstart your lead generation automation right away. Remember, Vendasta offers a fully automated lead generation system that can scale as your business grows. With the CRM, marketplace, email campaigns, and reporting tools, you'll be well on your way to generating more leads with less effort. So don't wait. Use the first link below to grab your exclusive free trial and start automating today. Take control of your lead generation process and save yourself tons of time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable tips on business automation.